I will show you how to use the OBS Studio Virtual Camera on Discord. First thing you need to do is load up OBS Studio and click on the Start Virtual Camera button. You can then go and open up Discord and click on User Settings in the bottom left-hand side. Now, over in the left-hand navigation, scroll down and click on Voice and Video. Click on the Video tab and then you'll need to scroll down to Camera and click on the drop-down arrow. Now you should be able to see the OBS Virtual Camera in this list, and you can go and select it to start using it. Now, if you don't see OBS Virtual Camera here, I'm going to show you how to solve that as well. So what you'll need to do is open up the Start menu, go and search for OBS Studio, and you need to right-click on this app and click on Open File Location. You then need to right-click on OBS Studio again and click on Open File Location. You then need to click on the OBS Studio folder at the top of the navigation. Now go and double-click on Data. Double-click on OBS Plugins. You should have a folder here called WinDAO. Double-click on this, and then you'll see this file called Virtual Cam Install. You can just right-click on this file and click on Run as administrator. Now, as you can see, that will install the virtual cam. You can then go and press any key on your keyboard to close out of this window. Now, the last step is just to go and close out of Discord. Make sure you've completely shut down the application. You can then go and open Discord back up on your computer. You can come back over to User Settings, click on Voice and Video, and select Video. And you should now be able to select the OBS Virtual. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.